Hi everyone, this is Mubina Khan. Today I am going to tell you a few points about the formation of the Indian national flag. The people who struggle, who stitched the flag, and their names and their pics I am going to show you. Subscribe, like and share my channel. Okay, first here the Indian national flag is symbol of our freedom, unity and identity. While Pingali Venkaya, who is Pingali Venkaya? I am going to show you the pic of Pingali Venkaya Garu. Is the Pingali Venkaya. Pingali Venkaya, first here a visionary freedom fighter. Pingali Venkaya, a visionary freedom fighter. First conceptualized the tricolor in 1921 with red, green and a spinning wheel. With red, green and a spinning wheel. That's it. And the final design, the salute today, was shaped by a remarkable woman, Suraya Tabji. Who is that woman? Suraya Tabji Garu. I am going to show you the Suraya Tabji pic. She is the Indian woman Suraya Tabji. Okay. Here Suraya Tabji, she is also in 1947 she replaced the charkha with the Ashoka Chakra. Do you know what is meant by Ashoka Chakra? I am going to show you. This is the Ashoka Chakra. In the middle of the flag, Ashoka Chakra. Suraya replaced the Ashoka Chakra representing law, progress and peace. Suraya not only sketched the final flag but also supervised its stitching and selected its exact colors. Her silent contribution is a proud reminder that women too stitched the fabric of our nation's identity. I am going to show you this pic also, the Suraya Tabjis. Here national emblem. Okay, this is our national emblem. This is the flag, chakra and Suraya Tabji ma'am. Okay, these people struggle a lot in the formation of the flag, the stitching of the flag, every color, everything with the brief, meaningful is there. You go and read, search in the Google and learn about little more points about flag. Okay, so here our flag didn't get just simply. People struggle a lot to in the stitching of the flag and hoisting of the flag. Okay, thank you so much. Jai Hind. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Bye bye.